Hi, my name is Leanne Daughtry. I teach biology at Wilson, and I also am an advisor in the Allied Health Sciences program. I am just making this video to show students how to fill out the intent form to get started, applying to the nursing program. So you always want to do this as soon as possible. This is the main web page for the college, wilsoncc.edu. Go to academics and choose Allied Health, and then choose your program. So let's say that you are going for the associate degree nursing, which is the RN program. All right, in associate degree nursing, we can scroll down, and there is the admissions packet, the degree requirements, and frequently asked questions. There's also transition information. So this is the LPN to RN admissions packet. And then below that is your Allied Health intent form. And you're going to click on that and you're going to fill it out. Okay, so that is what you need to do first and foremost in the nursing program.